Good morning, class 3. Welcome again to our online class. I hope you all are keeping fine at home. So children, today also we'll continue the same chapter number 3, that is subtraction. Today we'll learn these two topics. First, checking subtraction by doing addition. And point number 2, addition and subtraction together. See children, 48 minus 34, we have 14. 48 is a bigger number which we call minuend. 34 is a smaller number which we call subtrahend, and 14 difference of these two numbers. So let us find out whether our subtraction is correct or not by doing addition. Question, difference is 14 plus subtrahend is smaller number 34. So children, if we add these two numbers, if we get 48 minuend, that means our subtraction is correct. Let us find out. 14 plus 34, 4 plus 4, 8, 1 plus 3, 4, 48. 14 plus 34 equal to 48, which is equal to our minuend. That means our subtraction is correct. So, okay children, now addition and subtraction together. Suppose 15 plus 8 minus 10. 15 plus 8 minus 10. First, we'll add these two numbers. 15 plus 8. 8 plus 5 is 13. 3. 1 remainder. 1 plus 1, 2. 23. Now we have the sum of these two numbers, 15 and 8, 23. From 23 minus 10. 3 minus 0, 3. 2 minus 1, 1. Now come to page number 105, exercise 3.5. Question number 1, subtract and check your answer. Question 1, 2146 minus 347. First, we will arrange this number and we will subtract. 2146 minus 347. 347. Now subtract these two numbers. 6 minus 7, which is not possible because 6 is smaller than 7. So we'll take 1/10 from 4, then 4 became 3 and 6 became 16. 16 minus 7, 9. 3 minus 4, again it is not possible because 3 is smaller than 4. So we'll take 1/10 from 1. Then when we will take 1/10 from 1 becomes 0 and 3 become 13. 13 minus 4, 9. 0 minus 3 is not possible. So we'll take 1/10 from 2. Then 2 become 1 and 0 become 10. 10 minus 3, 7, and there is no number, so we put down 1. See children, now we have the difference of these two numbers. 2146 minus 347, we have difference 1799. In this question, 2146 is minuend. We know that bigger number, and 347 is subtrahend, smaller number, and 1799 is difference. So according to question, we have to check whether our subtraction is correct or not by doing addition. So 1799 difference plus smaller number subtrahend plus 347. 347. Now we will add these two numbers. If we go the sum 2146, that means our subtraction is correct. So let us add this two number. 9 plus 7. 9 plus 7 is 16. 16. 6 will write here, and this one will be remainder. So 4 plus 9. 4 plus 9 is 13. 13 plus remainder 1. 14. We'll write 4 here, and this one will remainder again. 3 plus 7. 3 plus 7. 10. Remainder plus remainder 1. 11. 1 will write here. Again 1 is remainder. 1. 1 plus remainder 1 is 2. 2146, which is equal to our minuend. 2146. That means our subtraction is correct. So meaning one more question is there, question number 2. That one you have to practice at home. Now come to page number 106, exercise 3.6. Question number 1. Solve 1758 plus 6655 minus 2313. So first we'll add these two numbers. First add these two numbers. So let us find out 1758 plus 6655. 8 plus 5, 8 plus 5, 13. 3 will write here, and 1 is remainder. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus remainder 1, we have 11. We'll write 1 here. Again 1 is remainder. 7 plus 6. 7 plus 6, 13. 13 plus remainder 1, 14. We'll write 4 here. Again 1 is remainder. 1 plus 6, 7. Plus remainder 1, 8. 8. As you can see, the sum of these two numbers, 1758 plus 6655, we have sum 8413. Now from this number, we'll subtract 2313. So let us subtract these two numbers. 8413 minus 2313. 3 minus 3 is 0. Whenever same number is subtracted from each other, then we will get the difference is 0. 1 minus 1, 0. 4 minus 3, 1. 8 minus 2, 6. Question number 2. Solve 4789 minus 2001 plus 3379. As you can see, this question is little bit different from question number 1, because negative number is in middle. Negative means minus. Okay, plus means positive. So positive numbers are in corner. In middle there is negative number. So first thing what we'll do, we'll arrange this number. We'll write all the positive number in one side, then negative number. 4789 plus 3379 minus 2001. Look, these two numbers are positive numbers. So I have written in one side, and this 2001 is negative number in one side. So now we can solve this one easily. Now what we'll do? We'll add these two numbers. So 4789 plus 3379. 9 plus 9, 18. 9 plus 9, 18. 8 here, and 1 is remainder. 8 plus 7, 15. 15 plus remainder 1, 16. 6 will write here. Again 1 is remainder. 7 plus 3, 10. Plus remainder 1, 11. 1 will write here. Again 1 is remainder. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus remainder 1, 8. So now we have the sum of these two numbers, 4,789 and 3,379. We have sum 8,168. Now from 8,168 we'll subtract 2,001. Let us subtract 8,168 minus 2,001. 8 minus 1, 7. 6 minus 0 is 6. 1 minus 0, 1. 8 minus 2 is 6. Now we have the difference of these two numbers. 8,168 minus 2,001. We have difference 6,167. Question number 3 will be homework. Now come to question number 4. Subtract the sum of 1,306 and 5,919 from 9,000. So let us arrange this question first. 9,000 minus 1,306 plus 5,919. So first we will add these two numbers. 1,306 plus 5,919. 9 plus 6, 15. We'll write 5 here and 1 will be remainder. 0 plus 1, 1 plus remainder 1, 2. 3 plus 9, 12. 2 will write here and 1 will remainder. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus remainder 1, 7. Now we have the sum of these two numbers, 1,306 plus 5,919. We have sum 7,225. Now 7,225 will subtract from 9,000. 9,000 minus 7,225. From 0, we can't minus 5, so we'll take 110 from another number. But another number also 0, so we'll start from here. When we take 110 from 9, 9 become 8 and this 0 become 10. When we take 110 from 10, 10 become 9 and this 0 become 10. Again when we take 110 from here, 0, then this 10 become 9 and 0 become 10. Now we can minus easily. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 2, 7. 8 minus 7, 1. Now we have the difference of these two numbers. 9,000 minus 7,225. We have difference 1,775. So in this way you have to solve question number 5 also. So question number 5 also you have to practice at home.